Multilateral agencies refer to organizations that are formed between three or more countries in order to solve issues of common global concerns. For example, the United Nations and World Bank are examples of multilateral organizations. A bilateral organization is a government agency that receives funding from its home country's government and uses this money in order to help developing countries with their growth. For example, the USAID is the bilateral agency for United States of America, whereas the SIDA is the bilateral agency for Sweden.
There are multiple pros of working at multi or bilateral organizations. The first is that you get a chance to learn about the entire development ecosystem, as the large projects ensure that you engage with multiple types of actors in the development sector, from governments, non-profits, donors, and so on, all of which would be a part of your work. Related to this, another pro is that you learn how to think of problems at a macro scale with an international lens by working at these organizations. Also, you get to work in a multicultural environment as your peers are from different countries, depending upon where you are posted, of course. Moreover, these organizations have the ability to pay good salaries, especially at starting levels, and the work life balance here as well is quite good. In terms of cons, it can be difficult to find jobs in these organizations without a direct connection with someone who's already a part of them or without a degree from an internationally reputed university. Second is that even when you get in, it might be difficult to get permanent positions at once. Usually, they hire people at contractual positions where promotions might be slow as there's no assured path laid down for promotions. Moreover, the promotion can be tricky because it depends on factors like your nationality. And also, you can only negotiate your salary or designation when the contract is renewed. Finally, another con that has been stated is that you may have to deal with bureaucratic regulations which can slow down the pace of your work.